Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I will be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. In this lecture, we are going to study one of the most important topics in any business or improvement project, the cost-benefit analysis. Let's keep it simple. The cost-benefit analysis consists of two terms, cost and benefits. Sometimes the cost is higher than the benefits over the period. In this scenario, the business or improvement project is likely going to suffer. In other case, the cost is less and benefits are very pronounced than the acquired cost. We welcome this. Let's divide these terms further. There could be different kinds of cost. Direct costs such as cost of labor, material, transportation, and cost of packaging material, etc. Indirect costs such as taxes, VAT, and depreciation. Opportunity costs such as cost of risk, and all other intangible forms of the cost. Sometimes the cost could be seen as waste only. You had a pizza party with the employee of the company last week. You bared the cost. What difference could it make? Well, I also talked about the opportunity cost of linking closely with the people and giving them some incentives and yet making a big impact in the project. Take for example the Chinese manufacturing companies. They have like the whole town dedicated to one company. They provide shelter to live, food, free transportation, and in return they get cheap labor. The people often do not want to leave the company because of the small benefits they get. Okay, let me come to the West. Let me show you how Google is operating. Do you know that it provides free lunch to the entire facility in the Google campus? And there are even more benefits which when all added up, the employee feels safe and feels proud to be working in such companies. Often, only monetary reward doesn't play a big role. I often see companies which give a rise of a 2 to 5% salary per year to the staffs, and yet the staff's turnover is so less that it boggles my mind. When I see it deeper, I see all those so-called benefits glues the employees to the organization. The Japanese companies are no exception. When I worked in Japan, the company culture was such that people were entirely dedicated to giving their full efforts for the company. They even didn't like and feel sorry for taking any holiday, and this was to the extent that even their priorities such as extending the family, having kids, etc. would be determined by the company and its need first. Oh my god, that was terrible. But if you see closely at the benefits that those companies give you, you won't even question why the employees feel so. Okay, let's talk about the benefits more. There could be different types of benefits out of the cost we invest in any business, service or any projects. It could be the boost in production, improvement in brand awareness, good customers satisfaction, increase in goodwill, increase in safety, decrease in employee turnover, decrease in defective parts, and increase in profits, etc. Among these, all the most important factors that any management or investor wants to see in any business is the return in value in monetary terms or return of investment. So in the next lecture, we will see the cost-benefit analysis in the monetary form. Thank you so much for being with me in this lecture. Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.